the step in association with IDBI Bank and NSS unit of our college. So, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite Mr. Rupesh, Assistant General Manager, IDBI, over the dais. I also invite Dr. Vijay Kumar Biradar sir, Vice Principal of our institute, to please come over the dais. I take this opportunity to invite Dr. Halli sir, Professor and HOD Department of Shalyatantra, to please come over the dais. And I also invite Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Jyotappa sir, PG Coordinator of NKJMC, to come over the dais. Let us begin the program. With the blessing of Lord Dhanvantri, I would like to call Dr. Deepa and the group.
शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ नमामि धन्वन्तरिम् आदिदेवं सुरासुरैर्वन्दित पादपद्मं लोके जरारुग्भयं मृत्युनाशं दातारमीशं विविधौषधीनां दातारमीशं विविधौषधीनां दातारमीशं विविधौषधीनां।
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Jyotappa sir for welcome address.
Good morning to all. First of all, I wish you a happy Doctor's Day to all. So it's my privilege to welcome all the dignitaries who have assembled in the August event of the Happy Doctor's Day. First of all, I would like to welcome our beloved Vice Principal sir, Dr. Vijay Kumar Biradar sir. Welcome sir on this Doctor's Day event. I welcome this event Dr. Chandrakant Reddy sir, Professor and HOD, Department of Shalyatantra. I welcome sir. And one more guest, Sri Rupesh, Assistant General Manager, IDBI Bank, Bidar branch. I welcome. Apart from this, I welcome who are present over the staff of the IDBI Bank, Bidar branch. I welcome you all this event, and our colleagues and the non-teaching staff also I welcome in this event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Lighting the lamp will spread the divine presence with the positive vibes. And now I request all the dignitaries on the dais to light the lamp. Now it's a time to felicitate the doctors for the service they are extending. I would like to call Ms. Vibhuti Majumdar, Assistant Manager IDBI, to lead this felicitation program.
Good morning, everyone. Now the felicitation program will start. I would like to call Dr. Sailaja ma'am to come on stage to facilitate Dr. Vijay Kumar Giradhar sir. Now I request Shailaja ma'am to felicitate Dr. C. Halli sir. Now I request Sri Rupesh sir to felicitate Dr. Sanjeev Kumar sir. Now I request Dr. Vijay Kumar Giradhar sir to felicitate Sri Rupesh sir. Now I request Dr. Vijay Kumar Giradhar sir to facilitate Dr. Shailaja ma'am. Ma'am, please come. Sir, please. Now I would like to I request Dr. Manjula ma'am to come on stage for the facilitation done by Dr. Shailaja. I request Dr. Sridevi Swami to come on stage for facilitation. Please come on stage. I request Bashir Ahmad to felicitate Sridevi Swami now. Dr. Bandappa Sangolge sir, please come on stage. On behalf of IDBI Bank, they want to felicitate all the doctors on the token of respect on this special occasion. Dr. Channavisava Vasanna sir. Dr. Channavisava sir. Yes. I request Ms. Vibhuti Majumdar ma'am to present a flower and gift as a token of love and respect. Dr. Anil Kumar Bachchan. Dr. Dolappa. Dr. Praveen Silpi. Dr. Ashok Michael. Dr. Sheila Malikarjun. Dr. Deepa. Dr. Preeti. Dr. Ravichandra. Dr. Anup. Dr. Yogeshwari. I request Mr. Mohammad Vikram to felicitate the staff. Dr. Yogeshwari. Dr. Sapna. Dr. Jyoti. Dr. Ishwari. Dr. Shubhada. Dr. Shubhada. Dr. Sonali. Dr. Jyoti. Dr. Shubhangi. Dr. Asha Rani. Dr. Bhagyashree. Dr. Sonalika. Dr. Sarika. Dr. Sunanda Patil. Dr. Jayashrila. Dr. Komal. Thank you, sir. On behalf of all the staff, I thank Manager IDBI Bank for this felicitation. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Rupesh to speak few words on this occasion.
Good morning all. I'm very happy to see that this opportunity is being given by management to conduct and organize Doctor's Day. So we are very happy to say that and we're thankful for you people to give us opportunity to celebrate Doctor's Day among you. So at outset, I would like to thank N.K. Jamshetty Ayurvedic Medical College and their management, and it gives me immense pleasure to declare this event as a successful event, and I would like to submit that IDBI Bank across the country today we observed as Doctor's Day, and we IDBI Bank Bidar also given an opportunity to celebrate Doctor's Day among you people. For this, thank you very much. On this occasion of Doctor Day, IDBI Bank acknowledges the immense and contribution of medical professionals like you to the well-being of the society. So, and takes the opportunity to wish you a happy Doctor's Day. the pivotal and defining role played by the doctors in the physical and mental health of the society. Also developing healthy and disease-free society is well acknowledged. IDBI Bank takes this immense pride to acknowledge the esteemed service provided by the doctor fraternity during this pandemic era. So, while you people continue your service in social cause, give us an opportunity to take your financial well-being by providing various tailor-made products. IDBI Bank has various products like savings account, direct account, and loans, credit cards, demat accounts. All the facilities are available. We request you people to visit our nearest branch or by digital mode you approach us. We will serve your financial requirement. Give us an opportunity. With this, I will not take much of your time. I thank you once again. Thank you, and I wish healthy and prosperous health, prosperity for all you doctors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Vijay Kumar Biradar sir to speak few words on this occasion.
Good morning to all of you. Respected Sri Rupesh, the AGM, IDBI Bank and team, respected Dr. Chandrakant Halli, HOD, the Department of Surgery, and the in charge of Academic Council of this institution, respected Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Jyotappa, the PG coordinator of this institution, and respected staff members. So first of all, I welcome all of you for this Doctor's Day celebration in our institution. So first of all, I wish you all a happy Doctor's Day. So on the occasion of this Doctor's Day, the IDBI Bank come up with a very unique idea of celebrating this special day in our institution, and they also felicitated all the doctors of this institution by recognizing their contribution towards the patients, towards securing the lives of the patients. So on the behalf of the institution, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Sri Rupesh and the team IDBI Bank leader. As you know that the world is undergoing a huge crisis. We are in the middle of the global pandemic. So during this last 2 years, we have to recognize the contribution, the sacrifice made by the doctors and the health workers around the globe. So this is the day we have to honor those doctors, those great doctors who has given a lot of sacrification. So that's why we used to celebrate July 1st every year as a Doctor's Day. So this is an opportunity for all of us to thank such doctors who put their selfless effort and a lot of commitment to the mankind. I feel probably there is no other profession as noble as this medical profession. That's why this profession demands a great dedication, sacrifice and commitment. That's why the society respects the doctor next to the God, Vaidyo Narayana Hari. And I feel a real doctor is one who follow the medical ethics and who have the qualities like empathy, humility and spirit of service. You must understand the medical practice or medical education without the medical ethics is not only hollow but it's also very dangerous. So that's why on this occasion I would like to remember the two great peoples who have quoted many medical ethics. The first I would like to remember Sir William Osler, one of the great Canadian physician, and he is also known to be the best doctor of all the times. What he said, the first duty of the doctor, the first duty of the physician is to educate the masses not to take the medicine. This is one of the quote of this William Osler. And the second person, I would like to remember the very first surgeon of the world and the father of Indian surgery, none other than Acharya Sushruta. He says, a patient can believe A patient can doubt his own parents. A patient can doubt his own parents, children's, relatives, but he completely keep faith in the doctor. Vaidya Vishwasamiti. And he will hand over his whole body without a single doubt, without a little doubt. So that's why it is the responsibility of the doctor to look after, to treat the patient as his own son. So beautifully he has quoted a ethic, Mataram, Pitaram, Putran, Bhanuvanapi Chatura, Appetana Vishanke, Vaidya Vishwasamiti, Vishwajatatmanam Atmana, Na Chainam Parishanke, Tasma, Putravar Evanam Palayatram Vishanke. So, I want to say, being a doctor, it's very important to follow the medical ethics. Okay, so with this, once again, I thank you, Rupesh sir and the team for their kind concern. Thank you and all.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. I would like to call Dr. Preeti for vote of thanks.
A warm good morning to all, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Firstly, I want to convey Happy Doctors' Day to all the doctors here and everyone in the world. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. Today is the Doctors' Day. As Madam told, it is celebrated in the birth and death anniversary of B.C. Royce. So on this day, the general public and the patients greeted physicians, doctors by various things, by messages, by greetings, by giving bouquets, flowers. But I want to request all, especially the general public, because in this pandemic area, each and every frontline worker, that is doctors, medical, paramedical staff, have done amazing hard work. Amazing. Even many have lost their lives to save the people. So on this day, we will just be thankful to the society, to the doctors for their sacrificing their life, and still the war is continuing. It is not still over. The third wave, Delta Plus, is on the way. So I just want to request, please follow the Ayurvedic rules, that is Swasthasya Swastha Rakshanam. Prevention is the better than cure. Wear the mask, that to double mask, wash your hands, all the general rules you have to follow, and we will finish it off. Coronavirus ek din jayega. This positive vibration should be there. And I want to request one thing, because doctors are sacrificing their lives. Just one message from our side, please don't do the violence on doctors. As sir told, doctors treat their patients like their children. Yes? And doctor is next to the God, but he is not the God. He will give his best to save the life, but ultimately God is the one who will provide the life. So it's my request, please, not only on this day, please each and every day, show the gratitude towards your physicians, doctors, but don't do the violence on doctors. This is the message I will just want to give on this day. Now, coming to the vote of thanks, that is, first of all, on the behalf of N.K. Jakshite Ayurvedic Medical College, I extend my hearty vote of thanks to Mr. Rupesh sir, Assistant General Manager, and all the team, staff members, and Rani Lakshmibai Trust for their organizing such a wonderful event and recognizing the importance of doctors on this day. Further, I extend a big thank you to our Vice Principal Sir, Dr. Vijay Kumar Biradar Sir, who constantly encourages us to conduct such type of events in our college. I also express my sincere thanks to Dr. Chandrakant Hadi Sir, Professor and HOD Shalya Department, and Sanjay Kumar Jotappa Sir, PG Coordinator, for their valuable suggestions and support. I want to convey the thanks Sincere thanks to the media persons for covering such an event and gratitude for their valuable presence in this event. Lastly, I want to convey each and everyone's. I would also extend my thanks to the NSS unit of the institution, Dr. Kripa Madam, for conducting such an event. And lastly, I want to convey each and every one here for their valuable presence and making this event grand success. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we conclude this program. High tea has been arranged. I request all the staff to stay back and have a tea. Thank you, one and all.
नमस्कार.